It's in my car. Hi, is George here today? Is George here today? He is? Can you call him for me, please? Thank you so much. So now we're waiting on George to come. I'm standing up at the pro desk area, pro services, for them to help me out to see if they can actually order the stuff and to see if this would actually work on it. So they're gonna order it here. So I'm not have to worry about that. So I'm just waiting for somebody to assist me in the meantime. So yeah, not a good experience so far, guys. They must remember right back and forth. Them have it, them not have it, them have it, them not have it. And it was at this time she realized that she was lost. Where's from the guy? No, let me find George. Let me find George, because my candidates. Yeah. George! Good morning, sir. Afternoon. Do you remember me? I'm all over the place. Everybody have me all over the place right now.